Hello everyone, come back to our premium code. Now continue to fix error. I try to show you everything during a modeling stage. We do not ignore the error. You see everything when I start from modeling the concrete beam. After that we check the validate, we get error message, so we must to fix it before we continue to complete the OC beam modeling. It is very important. Mistake always happen during modeling stage. Don't worry, we will fix it one by one. After that, you are the master for the structural modeling, analysis, and design. Click on the model beam. Use the beam C30 multiplied with 50 cm. Use Windows select. Escape. Click on validate again to check the model. No error, no warning. Click on beam again. Click the first point and click the second point. Enter. Click the first point and click the second point. Enter. Now we want to find out what is the real problem right now, how we can fix it. You see the alert message. Click on validate. Right click, highlight, select. Okay. Now we have to check. Click on the beam. I want to check the release. Release at the urn. Yes, start point. At the urn, we use it the switch. Cantilever urn 2. Release. Release cantilever urn 2. Validate. Check, no error. Okay. After that, you can join the beam. Edit. Join. Click. Click. Again. Edit. Join. Yeah, edit. Join. Model. Validate. To check, no error. No error. Seal. Control, copy, click, click, validate again, no error. Click on the beam, change to the B20 multiplied with 40 cm. Member. Enter. Now you see the alert message. Validate. No. Okay, right now. Continue. Concrete beam. Member. Click. Validate. No error. May you ask me why it difficult to model the sub beam connect from the beam grid line A to grid line D. Okay, you has different choice. I show you how you can model it easily. Delete. Okay, we delete this beam. Start from the sub beam again. Beam. Select the section B20 multiply with 40 cm. Zoom. Click. Click enter. Okay. The snapping on intersection is more better. Okay. Beam. Change the section. Select, control, select, control, select. Release. Cantilever urn 2. Escape. Validate. No warning. Yes. I try to show you a different way you can model quickly. So which method you prefer to modeling in TSD, you should choose available method for you. Now continue to add the beam, click, enter, validate to check. Yeah, click on beam, check the release, or you can copy. Click on the review view, copy property, edit, select source beam, select secondary beam. Again, model, validate, no error, no warning. Late. Click on the beam, check on the stake, yeah, span 1, release, cantilever on 1, validate again, no error. It is how you can check the alert message in Tekla Structural Designer. Beam, click on the two beam, change the release, cantilever on 1, validate, no error. Beam, change the section, select beam, release, cantilever on 1, escape, change the section to 30 multiplied with 50, validate, highlight, okay, change the section, check the release, again validate, no error. Click on beam, create new section, 150 multiply with 200. Okay, you can change the nominal cover. Now I want to keep it. Click on the member, click, enter. Validate, no error. Continue to this beam. Member, enter. Click on beam again. Change the beam to 220 multiply with 40. Member, enter. Validate. Model expand. Check what is the error. Right click, show overview to check. Wow. Now we have to correct this error. Right click again, structural view, click delete. Member, geometry, model, beam. Select the section. Click. Okay, enter. Validate again, no error because the connection is not connect with the beam. You see here, when we model, we connect at this line. What is this line? Is the grid line, and our beam now is not assigned on the grid line. So it is a mistake. We must to correct it for the beam along the grid line file. Okay, click, move it to the grid line file. You the same. Yeah, now it overlap on the grid line file. It's okay right now. Okay, come back and check with this point. Okay, now we have to model it again. beam, change the section, zoom in, check, enter, validate. Okay, everything is working fine right now. This is how we can model and fix error in TSD 2023. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.